We're here at the Tomra R1 at Coop Obs, and we have a bunch of random weird returnables that we're going to throw in here to see what their behavior is. So I'm just going to toss all this junk in here. Some of this will be rejected, but it's just a test. Let the mayhem begin. Took one. See what's pooped out. It did not take the S. Pellegrino. Did not take the German Coke. Okay, looks like it gobbled up the Airzona. You are gonna get a receipt though. Oh! I don't know what that was. Well, that's cool. So it ate the Airzona, and then there was a big bottle in there. So, or actually, that was probably the Dutch can, and then it ate the Airzona. Nice.